I didn't travel far into the future. I traveled up. When I arrived, there were no crowds, no flags, no speeches waiting to be remembered, just silence, and a horizon that felt unfinished. The moon wasn't what I expected. It wasn't loud, it wasn't triumphant, just quiet. We didn't come here to escape Earth. We came here because Earth began asking us questions we could no longer ignore. The settlements were small, modest, built into the dust, as if we were still unsure if we were welcome. Every structure felt temporary, as though humanity was still whispering, "Are we allowed to be here?" Inside, life moved slowly, plants growing under borrowed light, water recycled, air counted. Everything here felt measured, not by time but by consequence. Footsteps echoed longer than they should have, not because the rooms were empty, but because every step felt intentional. People spoke softly here, not because they had to, but because the moon listens differently. From the surface, Earth never stopped watching us, always there, bright and heavy. Some believed that living here would make us feel powerful. Instead, it exposed how fragile we still were. It made us careful. It made us honest. Nights were the hardest, not because of danger, but because perspective has weight. Standing there, I realized something no one warned us about. I felt it the moment I looked back at Earth. Even after crossing space, we carried ourselves with us. The same hopes, the same doubts, the same quiet longing for meaning. We didn't conquer the moon. We learned how to exist alongside it. Distance changes when you leave the ground. Once you've seen Earth from here, you never really stop looking back. We thought the moon would change our future, but what if it was only the beginning? Because while we were looking up, something else was quietly changing back on Earth. I went to see it for myself. The world in 2085 isn't what we expected.